Boom! Crunch! Birds. Cheep, 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 cheep. Greetings. I am Monster D. Do you like birds? I like birds. Would you like to draw some birds with me? Let me get one of my trusty markers out, and I'll go ahead and draw a bird, okay? What kind of birds do you like? Have you ever drawn a bird before? Oh, looking like a bird yet? What do you think makes a bird look like a bird? Is there anything special about a bird that makes it not look like a mouse or a cat or a person? What do you think? How's that so far? I think I need more ink. I know I need some orange. In fact, I'm going to add the orange right now. Can you think of any birds that have orange on them? What do you think? Let's see here. Ooh, you know what? My marker here is starting to run out of ink. Do you know what ink is? Do you know that ink is in markers and pens? Do you see how that looks with it running out of ink? Now look at this marker. See what happens here. Ready? Ooh, how's that? See? How does the marker with more ink look different from the one with less? And they both have their uses, huh? So, there is a bird. Do you like that bird? What kind of bird do you think that is? Have you seen these before? Do you see these birds every day or only some days? Do you see them all throughout the year or only during a certain time of the year? By the way, what sound do birds make? What sound does a bird make? Does a bird say chirp chirp or cheep cheep? How about I draw a different bird? Are there more than one kind of bird? Let's see what else I can draw. Alright. See that so far? Drawing another bird. Are all birds the same size, or are they different sizes? What do you think makes a bigger bird similar to a smaller bird? Is there anything that they both have that is the same? Or maybe something that they both do? What do you think? Is that looking familiar at all? When was the last time you saw a bird? Were you somewhere special when you saw a bird? Have you ever seen a bird somewhere and you didn't know what kind it was? Know what that is yet? Here we go. Ooh, let me add a little bit of color up here. Ooh, maybe too much color. What is that? What kind of bird is that? Any ideas? Is that a duck? Is a duck a bird? Is it? Is there anything on this little bird, this robin? that you also see on the duck? What do you see? Do they look a little bit similar? A little bit, huh? How about I draw one more? Let's see here. I think I have time for one more bird. Let me draw something different for you. Ready? Let's see here. I don't know if I can draw this properly or not, but I'm going to try. See that? Is that going to be another bird? What kind of bird do you think it'll be? Is that bird already bigger than the other two? Where do you think you could go to see some different kinds of birds that maybe you don't see in your neighborhood and in your trees? Is there a special place you could go? Where is a good place to learn information about birds out? Or who would you ask for questions about birds? Almost there. Any ideas? Strange, huh? You're probably noticing, if you've ever seen another video of mine, I like to draw some things that most people are used to, and then I like to draw some things that you might not be used to. I like that. Alright, let's see here. Any ideas? Alright. Oh, I'm getting a lot of use out of that marker that's losing ink. I like that. Alright, ready? I think I'm almost done with this bird. I'm going to stop either way and just talk to you. What kind of bird is that? Have you ever seen a bird so strange? Can you say the word cassowary? That is supposed to be a cassowary. Is that a small bird or a big bird? How big do you think it really is? I think it actually might be even bigger, but I probably couldn't fit the whole thing on the page with these other birds. So, all three of these are birds. Do they all make the same sound? If that bird goes cheep cheep or chirp chirp, do you think that bird goes cheep cheep or chirp chirp? Do they all make the same sound? What about a duck? Have you ever heard a duck go cheep cheep or chirp chirp? What do ducks say? Oh, I bet you know. Have you ever heard that kind of bird go quack? Do you think this one might quack? Or cheep? Or might it do something else? What do you think? Lots of different birds, huh? Can you think of a bird that's even stranger than the cassowary? If you can, feel free to share it with me in the comments. I thank you for enjoying and joining me in this bird drawing session. I hope you stay monstrous and give me a monster bing!